Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn class 9 geography's first chapter. The name of the chapter is India size and location. So I will first introduce you to the two terms longitude longitudes and latitude. First of all, what does longitude mean to you? In 6th standard, you might have learned about latitudes and longitudes. What are longitude? This is the earth. This is our earth. And these vertical lines are known as longitude. These vertical lines. What are longitude? Longitude are the vertical lines on the earth. They are the imaginary lines. Now, what is the use of longitude? Why do we need longitude? Is there any need of these imaginary lines? So yes, these longitudes are extremely important. Why? I'll tell you further. And what is latitude? Latitude is nothing but the horizontal lines. This is the 0-degree equator and this is the 0-degree prime meridian. And further you will see like this. This is the these are the latitudes. We must know about latitudes, different types of latitudes, the equator, and all the important things that I will tell you further. Now I will, as I told you, what is the importance of this longitude and latitude? Longitude and latitude are useful for us they help us to indicate the specific place on the globe. Now for example, if I want you to come at my home and I'll just tell you that I live in India. But where is India? Where is it? Like you live abroad. So where is India? Where is it? How to find the perfect location of it? I will say it is in continent Asia. But Asia continent is such a vast continent where you will find this particular country. So to locate the specific thing, we say that India's longitude, like this is India somewhere here. Okay, this is India for example. No, India is not here because this is the equator. India lies in the northern part. So we will say that the latitude or the longitude of India is this much degree, that much degree. And we will just indicate the place by using these latitudes and longitude. Now latitude, India is something 8.7 minutes to 37.6 minutes. This is a fairly number, don't copy it down, like I'm just writing. We will discuss it about further, the main important numbers. Okay. So this is the latitude, that 8.4 degree to 37 point. This is the longitude of the India. Longitude means not longitude, latitude. It is the latitude. Because India lies somewhere here, this is 0, so this is 8 to 37 degree. And if I want to tell you about longitude, then it is, this is the prime meridian. Here it is 68 degree 7 and 97 degree 25 minutes. So these are the fairly roughly locations. Now I will tell you much more about the latitude. Let me introduce the latitude with you. Okay, this is the earth. is the here passes the equator. Then we are having tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, Antarctic, Tropic of Capricorn. Here, this is the 0 degree equator, 23.5 degrees south, Tropic of Capricorn. Next, Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degrees south because it lies at the southern part. Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, lies above the equator, that is northern hemisphere. And Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north. This is the Arctic Circle. Now, this is very important thing. Just listen it carefully. Equator is having 0 degree. Means if the sun is here, then direct rays will fall on equator. Therefore, this region is termed as equatorial region. Equatorial region. South Africa comes under equatorial region, and there is lot of, and that region is lot of, a lot of heat is there. Okay, then it is having the high temperature. We also term it as torrid zone. Then we are having Tropic of Cancer. We say Tropic of Cancer. So the area, okay, this till this much, near fairly near the equator, it is equatorial or torrid. Then from this to this, we are having the tropical region. Okay, it is having heat but not that much high. Then above that, we are having subtropical region. Subtropical. Okay, we are having subtropical, and above subtropical we are having polar region. And this this is known as temperate zone. This whole thing is known as temperate zone. Okay, torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. So this is the very basic knowledge of our globe latitudes, mainly latitude. Latitudes divide the country in north and south. Latitude divides the country in north and south, and longitude divides the country in east and west. Okay, this was all about latitudes and longitudes. Let us mark the location of India based on latitude and longitude. Here I can't show you the Indian map, so I will draw the fair diagram. For example, okay. This is our India. Now what is the perfect location of India? So I will say the perfect location of India. So these are the longitudes. Okay, these are the imaginary lines. Longitude, and these are the latitude. One degree space is there between. Okay. So Tropic of Cancer passes through these states. Chhattisgarh and several other states are there through which the Tropic of Cancer passes. So So just remember this. This is the Tropic of Cancer. It divides the country in two halves. Now what is the longitude of India? As I told you, longitude are the vertical lines. So this is one longitude. Which one? Okay. This is latitude. This is the longitude. Okay, passing through this. So this point. This point is of longitude. Longitude passing like this. Okay. And here are several longitude and one longitude is here. Passing like this. Near Nagaland or something. Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Okay. Gujarat. So the longitude of India is near Gujarat. It is 68 degree 7 minute east. Now you will say why east? This is the western side because India lies at the eastern side of India. Okay. 68 degree 7 minute east is Gujarat and 97 degree 25 minutes east is the Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Then here are longitude, several longitudes, but this is the longitude that passes from northern part. Okay. Then what is the point here? And here is one which passes through Indian mainland. Okay, mainland. So Lakshadweep and Andaman are there below this line. So this is the line of mainland near Kanyakumari. Then this is 8 degree 4 minutes north. India lies in the northern hemisphere. 8 degree 4 minutes north. And this point 37 degree 6 minutes north. Okay, so these dots indicate the perfect and current location of India. So you might got the difference between longitude and latitude, they are the sizes and all, and the use of it. Now I will tell you the difference between India, Indian mainland, Indian Union. These are some okay. The degrees and all of longitude are very necessary, therefore you are ought to learn that. Indian mainland and Union. First of all, what is Indian mainland? Indian mainland means the main land of India, excluding islands. Only the mainland. So what mainland includes? Mainland includes the states plus UT, Union Territories. But you will say, okay, Lakshadweep is also Union Territory. But you will not include that. Okay? Why? Because it is an island. Mainland means only states and UTs, Union Territory. Only this land. This land. Okay? Only this land is the mainland. And what is Union? Indian mainland. Indian mainland. Indian Union. Indian Union includes states, UTs and islands. States, UTs plus islands means this part also. This also, and the small island also. These all are included in Indian Union. Now the question is as following. What is the lowest or farthest point of, what is the southernmost point of Indian mainland? So the southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. And what is the southernmost point of Indian Union? That will be the Indira Point. Indira Point is in means it was a point in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but due to tsunami, that point or this Indira Point was submerged under Indian Ocean. So Indira Point. Now why it is named as Indira Point? Because Indira Gandhi went there. That's why that is known as Indira Point. Okay. What is the length? What is the length of Indian mainland? Length of mainland. Mainland boundary means only land. Okay, only land. It do not include the other part which is at the coast, and only the main part. Only this much. This much part. Only this much part, because it is the land. Because below it the oceans are there: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean. So in length of mainland is 15,200 kilometers. 15,200 kilometers is the length of mainland. Total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. 3.28 million square kilometers the area occupied by India. In whole geographical region, only 2.4% of area is occupied by India. Okay, and also India is the 7th largest country based on area occupied. It is the 7th largest country based on area occupied. Now, what are the other 6 countries before India? This question may come in your exam. So, we already know the first country having much more area than other countries. The largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. We know the first largest country, and of course that is none other than Russia. Rus in Hindi, Russia. Okay, Russia. Then we are having United States of America, USA. Then we are having Canada. Then we are having China. Then we are having Brazil or Brazil. And last Antarctica. No, not Antarctica. It is Africa. Let me check once. Otherwise, it might lead to misconfusion and all. Antarctica. And and then we are having okay. So this was all about the land and all. Now the point which I want to discuss with you is मम्मी I will tell you one fun fact that there is a time lag of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Why is it so? Because as the earth rotates, Gujarat moves to that side and Arunachal Pradesh comes in the same. Due to this very much minor place dislocation, this time lag is there of 2 hours. But to maintain, it is not like that. Okay, and I'm in Gujarat now. I'm having time at 7 a.m. Then in Arunachal Pradesh it would be 7 plus 2. Yeah, 9 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh. But now we are having same time because we follow IST time standard. Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time means what? So to minimize this lag of 2 hours, to make it 0, the Indian Standard Time is there. It is just an imaginary line passing through Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. Passing through Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. Okay, this line is there. And this is the standard meridian. It passes at 82 degrees 3 minutes. 82 degrees 3 30 minutes. This passes at 82 degrees 30 minutes is on this longitude. 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude on India. India ka we learned na. What was it? 37 degrees 6 something to 90 what? 90. These numbers are so confusing. Even I need to remember that. Oh, it was 68. Sorry. 68. 68 degrees 7 east. 37 is of latitude. 68 degrees 7 minutes to 90. 7 degrees 90 minutes. So this somewhere 82. Add 82 to this Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is about 5 hours ahead from the Greenwich Prime Meridian. Okay. Yeah. Now this was all about that. All about the India and all. India and world. India is having a very central locational because we can easily access the countries which are at the western side or eastern countries or northern, northwest, northeast. These countries are easily accessible by us via sea routes, land routes and all, and also airways. The land route was the oldest route through which the Indians and other people traveled. So this was all about that. And also the Indian Standard Time is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead from the prime meridian. From Greenwich. And Russia, it is having 12 time zones. But India is having only one time zone, it is Indian Standard Time. Okay, so I